Bienvenue sur le site d'Indigo. Donc là, on est juste devant les bâtiments qui sont en construction à l'arrière. Nous sommes sur la piste cyclable au cœur de Beau Plan qui nous mène au Mahogany Shopping Promenade, là où vous pourrez faire toutes vos courses, votre supermarché, restaurant, magasin, la pharmacie, tout ce qui est pour convenient shopping. Et juste à côté, il y a les bureaux de The Strand, donc avec sans oublier la gym pour Keep Fit. Et ensuite le musée de l'aventure du sucre, une petite visite culturelle de temps à autre, c'est very nice. Sans oublier qu'à Beau Plan, il y a aussi toute une offre de loisirs et d'activités sportives, notamment avec le Montrocher Horse Riding Club et le paddle tennis. Et sans oublier les écoles, Green Coast International School, donc qui rendent une vie super paisible avec toute la proximité à Beau Plan.
So as Julie mentioned, we are on the Indigo construction site, or right next to it, which you can see is very busy. Indigo comprises of two blocks. Block A, which you can see to my right, which is comprised of 63 units with a mix of 1-bed, 2-bed and 3-bed units. To my left is Block B, which is comprised of 57 units with the same mix and a common pool in the middle. Block A was launched in October last year and is almost already completely sold out. Construction is well underway, as you can see, with the first floor being built at the moment, with Block B being built very shortly after. This project is very interesting for capital appreciation, as Block A has already taken on 10% since its launch in October last year. It's also a very interesting project for rental income, as we will see a big influx of people coming to work and live in Beau Plan. So it's very interesting as well. We're very excited, so come join us in Beau Plan or go visit beauplan.mu for more information. We'll see you soon.